Hi there. Well, we've finally arrived in Western Australia after a month of travels down the east coast, and you'll see me with a pair of sunglasses. They've brought the sun out for us as well. So we're staying initially here in Freemantle, and behind us you can see the Esplanade Hotel where we've been staying. Quite a fantastic old colonial style building. So it's our first morning, and we're going to go and find some breakfast. Yesterday I met up with my sister for the first time in 35 years, so it was quite a lovely moment. So what we're doing now, we're going to find some breakfast and see what we're going to do with the rest of the day. Here we are, just walking through the park now, down towards the port area where they hope we get some nice breakfast. We just stumbled into the middle of a skate park, which was a bit embarrassing. Getting all these strange looks from the teenagers. However, we're now walking towards the Freemantle Eye, and then over the road there should be the docks area, which has all been done up apparently, and go and have a really nice breakfast. Nice little bit of parkland just outside the house. I just walked through this little alleyway into an area of trendy restaurants and cafes. I think they're all old warehouses that have been converted, and come straight out onto the dock, which is rather beautiful. So here we are. Fantastic view of one of the harbours here at Freemantle. So we'll have a wander around here, see if we can find anywhere open. And have a lovely, lovely breakfast to start the day. I know all these tourists taking photographs all the time. It's a bit splendid, isn't it? Oh, that's great.
It's really nice.
Mm.
Thank you.
Here we are in the civic centre of Freemantle. Huge civic building they've got here. And then we look right down the road there to the large church, the little church here, and then straight down the high street, which takes you right the way down to the coast. Very nice. You should come to South Freemantle. It's a real eclectic mix of lovely shops and old houses. Loads of really interesting places to be. It's got a real sort of laid-back, chilled-out feel to it. It's a lovely little suburb to live in if you were in this neck of the woods, I would have thought. We just popped down to South Freemantle, a lovely walk along past all the boatyards, etc., and just come across this absolutely incredible warehouse full of all kinds of antiques and bric-a-brac and junk. Even a couple of giraffes. This is incredible. Loads of stuff. If you wanted to get your house out and the latest trendy designs and things, so you can come here and pick all kinds of wonderful things up. Goes on and on and on. Well worth a visit. Bit hard getting some of this back in your hand luggage though. Here we go. Cushions for Carol. Look at Shirley, what a happy person she is.
This is the entrance to the South Beach on South Freemantle. It's an absolutely stunning spot. Lots of families here, lots of people here having their morning coffee at the Aurora Cafe. Fabulous spot. Well worth a trip. And here is the beautiful South Beach at South Freemantle. Lots of people, families, children having a fabulous time.
Oh, and this is a really pleasant surprise. Rottnest Island off the coast there, Shirley. A beautiful beach. 5-minute drive from Freemantle. There's a nice cafe on the beach. Here we are at the Canning River Cafe to meet Frances for her birthday. We're about 15 kilometres east of Freemantle at the moment, and we just stopped at this lovely little cafe for a birthday lunch with Frances. Lovely little spot, all by the river. As we are our usual early selves, we'll probably take a little stroll down and have a wander around before they arrive. Here we are, we're up in the Jarrahdalehills, come to look at the Serpentinedam, right up in the middle of a lovely temperate rainforest. And we should get a fantastic view of the dam from the bottom first, and then we'll go to the top and look at the extent of the pond behind it. Beautiful little setting there. We're here with my sister Frances. Can we see the water?
You can see some of them, I think.
Oh yeah, just see a bit coming down through there. You can just see through the trees the outline of the dam itself. Quite big, isn't it? This dam's waters form part of the water supply for Perth and surrounding areas. In fact, there are a number of other dams in the region which all contribute. A very pretty sight, this one. The top of the hill in the distance there, you can see the ugly scar on the top there, and that apparently is a bauxite mine which is encroaching on the dam in this area. I'll cross over the road and just show you the dip on the other side to show you how deep this dam actually is. As you can see, it's quite a long way down there. This lookout called?
Neither can I.
This is the famous, I don't know what it's called, lookout. Hi there, that was a whistle-stop tour of the lovely Freemantle. From the beautiful colonial housing throughout the city, and the great fishing harbour with all its vibrant cafes and restaurants, to the lovely beaches, great transport links into Perth, and excellent facilities in the town centre. For the coffee lovers, there's Cappuccino Road and great shopping, really busy marketplace. Wow, what a place. We also fell in love with South Freemantle and its great beach. Plus we finally met up with my sister and our Aussie family. An awful lot going on. I hope you enjoyed it. We're off next on a grand tour of the great southwest corner of Western Australia, definitely on a par with the Great Ocean Road. Please come along and join us. Thank you ever so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you again soon. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, and maybe even press the notification bell as well. Hopefully see you soon.